बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम वक़ाल अल्लाहु तआला इन्नल्लाह व मलाइकतहु युसल्लूना अलन नबी या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू सल्लू अलैहि व सल्लिमू तस्लीमा वक़ाल अन्नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व सल्लम मन सल्ला अलैहि वाहिदतन सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि अशरा सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। My dear chief guest, honorable teachers and my beloved fellow, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most gracious, all praises to be Allah, the Lord of the world, the master of the day after, the creator of the everything in the universe. Peace and salutation be upon our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness into the brightness and guided us into the right way of life. My dear listeners, I want to describe the life story of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but I am wondering from where I should begin point, I should stop. I would never fulfill his great biography because Allah Almighty Himself has given witness and guided us and prized us in Quran. He said, وَإِنَّكَ لَعَلَى خُلُقٍ عَظِيمٍ. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam are on an excellent standard of the character. The mother of the believer, Hazrat Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala anha, the wife of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was asked about the character of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, she said, he was just like Quran. O Muslims, our ideal and our leader is that messenger who is buried in Medina, and Quran is the collection of all such divine to the revealed from time to time. So my dear, I want upon Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the end. Wassalam, thank you very much.